Here's how to make a fully functional bullet in Kerbal Space Program. Let's start by designing our projectile. For this, we just want a tiny probe core, an SAS module, and a battery for control, all encased in a small fairing. The projectile is now ready. Now we add a stack separator, crucially not a decoupler, as denoted by the double arrows. Then, below this, we're going to add a solid rocket booster, but flip it upside down. Importantly, we need to add a probe core to the booster to make sure it fires properly. But just like that, we're ready to launch. To fire the bullet, we need to activate the booster and the stack separator at the same time. When we do this, we see our projectile fly pretty high up into the air. But we can absolutely do better. For our next step, we're going to add a Cal 1000 controller to our bullet, and we're going to overclock the SRB. If you're unsure on how engine overclocking works, check out my video on the topic. Now, when we launch, the projectile goes significantly higher than before. We can even try firing it horizontally, which blasts it several kilometers away from the launch site in seconds. If we want to go super crazy, we can disable drag and thermal physics and crank the power of the engine all the way up. And just like that, we've designed an interplanetary cannon.